What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Joey Max back with another banger and the first banger of 2026. Happy New Year to everyone, you, your family, all your friends. In this video, I'm going to be going over my 2026 goals. I have a good amount of them. I wrote them down so I could remember because it's easy to forget when you're on camera. But I just want to, make this video so in a year from now I can come back and see what we accomplished or what we didn't. There's really shouldn't be what we didn't because, we're going to bust our ass and try to move forward with this. So we are in my garage right now. I kind of built this garage so content would look more fire. It's always been a dream of mine. 2025 was a big year for me. Bought my first house. I picked up one of my dream cars, which is right there. If you know what it is, you know what it is. Isabel got her dream car right there. If you know what it is, you know what it is. Those videos are dropping soon. So number one, I want to be posting 2 videos a week. It sounds like a lot. Might sound like not a lot for you, but when you're working, and this isn't the main job yet, it is a lot because we have work, gym, and then videos. So it's going to be a priority though. I want 2 videos a week, so that's 4 videos a month. And I think, no, 4 videos a month, my bad boys. That is 8 videos a month, and 8 times 12, I think it's like, let's do the math. I want about 100 videos next year. So that set us around 96. The weeks we could get more, we'll get more. But first and foremost, it was that. Then I want to, like I said, take this shit to the next level. What you put in is what you get out. So if I put in my all, I should get a good outcome. I want my Instagram. Let's look at my followers on there right now. Well, check that out. We are at 7,455 if it would focus. Right? 7,455 followers on there. On YouTube, we are at 9,000. On here, you guys can see what it is, but 9,670 subscribers on here, almost to 10K. My goal for Instagram is I want Instagram to get to, the 25, 50K mark. That'd be a good margin. And YouTube, I want 25K subs by the end of the year, if not more, whatever God will give me. And it's another thing, the LS Swap 240. As you guys don't know, but now you'll know, it is currently at the fab shop getting finished up. I'm gonna show you guys a little sneak peek of that. We went ahead and got the whole front end done, the oil cooler on, all the headlight brackets made. Basically sneak peek for you guys on that. There will be a video when I pick it up. Yeah, so then I'll get the car back, I'll paint it, and we'll have our drift car completely done. If you guys don't know about it, there's plenty of videos. I'll throw the video link up on the screen of me building the build breakdown. We're really deep in that car. So we'll get the 240 done and drive. I want to drive. I have Isabel's, the HR Swap G35. We have that. I have to fix the transmission shift fork in that. We'll get that back up, and then drive. Make as many videos as we can. Another one of the biggest ones that a lot of you guys want to see, a lot of my Instagram followers want to see, is the K-Swap Maxima. That is priority after the 240's done. Okay, this car is not really getting touched. We got it, we're chilling, got some to make content on drive, show you guys how to drive them. And this one, whatever Isabel wants to do to that, Isabel will do to that. But the Maxima, we are going to be, putting as much energy and effort that we can into that car to try to get it as close to done as we can this year. We don't want to rush it. That car is going to be one of one. Everything needs to be done right and up to my standard. And, we'll move forward with that. I want it, single turbo, making 500 on stock motor. That's the first setup. And painted, all that stuff. So the main thing, we'll be starting videos on here. I'm going to document everything with that car. And yeah, so we'll move forward with that. So 240 done, Maxima done, G done, and drive. And basically just create content. This is what I want to do. It's what I'm passionate for. Been doing this for 3 or 4 years now, but haven't really taken it seriously. So, might as well, January 1st, I got to lock in the gym more too. You know what I mean? I go 2 on and off, but we'll do that. But content. So I'm gonna try to do 2 videos a week. I'm going to, and we'll go from there. If there's anything that I missed in this video and that you guys want to see, if you watch this far, I really appreciate you. And we're gonna have a hell of a year. So comment down below what you want to see with any of the cars. Videos are gonna start coming. The video after this will be getting my brother's big cam VQ Ultima tuned. That's a good video. So that's the next video after this. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and go follow the Instagram, hr.maxx. Peace.